Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's ProClean Dryer Duct Lint Trap. The expected installation time should be approximately 20 minutes, and the tools required are wire cutters or a utility knife, a screwdriver or 5/16 of an inch nut driver, and 4 screws. We suggest using the appropriate type of screw and length for the material you are attaching the lint trap unit to. This product is intended for use only with electric clothes dryers and is not intended for use with gas dryers. Cut the existing duct, which is attached to your dryer, about 10 inches above the top of your dryer. Slide the free end of the duct, which leads outside, over the top collar of the lint trap unit. Secure it with one of the adjustable metal worm gear clamps provided with this kit. Slide the free end of the remaining duct coming from the dryer over the bottom collar of the lint trap unit and secure it with the other adjustable metal clamp. If mounting the lint trap unit to a wall, first locate a stud behind the wall or mount it directly to the wall using drywall plugs and screws. Wall mounting fasteners are not included with this product. Your lint trap screen should be cleaned after each load of laundry. To clean the lint screen, simply open the door of the lint trap unit, remove the screen, and clean off any lint that has accumulated. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.